Kwahu, 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 Kwahu. Easter, Easter!
I wasn't expecting this, but it was very exciting. I think it was totally worth it.
That's why we keep coming back every year. So this is my 20th year here, and we never miss it. Yeah, because Easter in Kwahu is amazing. It's totally unique. I don't know any other place in the world that's like this, and I don't know any other place where the government endorses and embraces paragliding as much as it does.
I'm in Ghana for a year.
Okay.
And I learned about paragliding for a long time.
Okay.
And I think this is perfect location for it with the clip. So I'm very excited about it.
This is your first time trying the paragliding?
Yes, it is.
First time. So how is the feeling? How are you feeling? Because you look so excited.
Yeah, I am.
Hello guys, welcome back again. As you all know, we are in Easter, and every Easter, every Ghanaian, you know, it's ready, always ready with his or her dancing shoes, you know. Traveling back also, getting ready to fly to where Kwahu. But as for me, Delphina, this year, I was not chance to go to Kwahu, but I'm somewhere around the western region, and you guys should be expecting, okay? You should be expecting, as you can hear from the background noise, something really do is happening here. So be expecting, videos are coming. It's not every day somebody have to go to Kwahu. We have to try other region too and see how, you know, witness also how they celebrate their own, you know, their Easter holiday. So I'm here and at the eastern region. I'm going to write the name of the place here. You know, I usually find it difficult pronouncing some, you know, some places, names of places in Ghana. So today I'm here with videos of Kwahu, and I'm super happy to let you guys know that it's not only Ghanaians that are enjoying this holiday. I mean, this Easter holiday, especially in Kwahu. So today I'm taking you along with me. Let's go and see how Americans and other foreigners join Ghanaians to celebrate Easter festival in Kwahu. Kwahu, 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 Kwahu. Easter, Easter! Let's go!
You see the whole Kwahu. It's
Wow,
amazing.
you see the whole
Kwahu.
Kwahu. So what's your name?
Minnie,
Minnie. From which country?
Italy.
Italy. Okay. Is this your first time in Ghana?
No, it's not my first time. I was here until January this year, and then I came back for Easter.
Oh, nice. Okay. So what are you expecting to see and experience today?
Big party, music, and a lot of people, and I'm expecting to have a lot of fun.
Okay. And today is the opening day of the paragliding. Yes. How does it feel to be here?
So strange. I wasn't expecting this, but it was very exciting. I think it was totally worth it.
Okay, I saw you trying the paragliding. How was it? How was the feeling? Was it scary or exciting?
Before jumping it was scary, but then when you're in the air it feels like floating. It's not scary at all, and you see the whole Kwahu.
Wow, you see the whole Kwahu. Okay.
And I also saw Volta Lake and Ruko Rock, so it was very nice.
Okay, so like, is it your first time?
Yes, it was my first time paragliding.
So will you try it again?
Oh, 100% yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back next year.
Okay, so what would you tell someone who is scared to try the paragliding?
I would say to do it. Even if it's scary, the instructors are very good, and they make you feel comfortable. So it gets very easy.
Okay, so it's a very nice experience.
Yes, it's very nice.
So what made you decide to come here today?
I'm in Ghana for a year.
Okay.
And I learned about paragliding for a long time.
Okay.
And I think this is perfect location for it with the clip. So I'm very excited about it.
This is your first time trying the paragliding?
Yes, it is.
First time. So how is the feeling? How are you feeling? Because you look so excited.
Yeah, I am. I'm excited, but I can't say how it is. It's the first time.
Okay, so let's see how it goes.
Exactly.
Good luck. How did you feel right after the takeoff?
Oi. After the final takeoff, when it was good, it felt very good.
Okay, was it scary or exciting to you?
It was exciting, yes. I loved it very much, the lift.
Okay, so did it feel how you expected or totally different?
A little bit like I expected. Like free as a bird in the sky, I liked it.
I see. So what would you tell someone who is scared to try it?
Oh, do it. Try it. It's really wonderful.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your name again?
Bram, please.
Bram, from which country?
Netherlands.
20 years. How's it been for you?
20 years, well, it's great. That's why we keep coming back every year. So this is my 20th year here, and we never miss it. Yeah, because Easter in Kwahu is amazing. It's totally unique. I don't know any other place in the world that's like this, and I don't know any other place where the government endorses and embraces paragliding as much as it does.
Wow.
But this festival, this flying festival, is just totally unique.
Okay.
Yeah, we love it.
I mean, what are your expectations this year? I know you've been doing it over and over again, and every time you come around, you probably have your own expectations. Do you have any this year?
Expectations. Well, we concentrate on certain things. I guess you could say it's expectation. And that's number one is safety.
Yeah.
You know, we've doing this festival 20 years and never had a major accident. There's been some scrapes and things like that, but no broken bones, nothing. And knock on wood that it stays that way. That's unprecedented in the world. So we want to have fun. We want to share fun with everybody and make sure everybody's having great enjoyment, but at the same time, prioritizing safety. It's always that way.
All right. Then I guess I'll be seeing you when I'm flying.
Yeah, we're here. I'm going to try to go here pretty soon, maybe.
Have you had any flights today?
Yeah, I just flew. Yeah, flew with, it was beautiful flying. And it's nice out there now.
Yeah.
So I have to see if I should go now or wait till after the opening ceremony, but I think I'll go now if I have a passenger.
I'll definitely hurry up so that you fly.
Yeah, we'll be here all day, all weekend.
Well, it's that time of the year again. Kwahu Easter is in full swing, and of course, what is Kwahu Easter without the paragliding festival? Currently, I'm on top of the Ojuanima mountain where the paragliding festival is. It has already kick-started. We've seen a lot of people, a lot of patrons who have already flown this. But we want to find out what is different this year, what GTA is bringing on board, and your expectations too for this year. Here with one of their core members here, Jones, who I haven't seen in a long while.
It's been so far so good, Jackie. So the full name is Jones Aruna Nelson. You know, I've been moved to the Eastern region as the director now. Yeah, so since November. So it's been so far so good.
Okay. Now, this year, what are the expectations? And in fact, let me ask, what is going to be different this time around? We've been having the paragliding festival for some time now. What is going to be different this year, 2026?
Okay, so one, a lot of activities in town. You know, in tourism, it is public sector led, private sector driven. We are having the Kwahu Business Forum there. Lots of walks in town, health walk, social activities, entertainment, and all of that. But the focus has been on the youth in the indigene to cash in. So as much as we are promoting domestic tourism, we are also encouraging the youth to catch in. Some of them are getting some businesses, some jobs to do within the 4 or 5 days, and which of course is going to enrich the economy. Yes, apart from that, to our number of pilots, we are trying to cut down a few things to make sure that a lot of people can fly. So we have 4 experienced pilots, 3 from the United States, 1 from Peru, 1 from Ghana, of course our own Jonathan Quay. So it's going to be exciting. As I speak now, we have like 130 people registered to fly. We've had some few flights early morning, and then we are waiting for the opening ceremony. When it takes off, then we'll continue. Yes.
Sure. So far, how many people have registered? Because I know it's Friday to Monday. How many people have registered so far?
Okay, so we have 130 people registered now, currently. Yes. In terms of safety and security, we have the security services on board. We also have the ambulance, the fire service, the NADMO people on board to rescue just in case. God willing, so far we've not had any issue when we started, but they are all on board. A lot of security in town to ensure safety and security. Yes.
Hello guys, Travel with me to Kwahu, eastern region of Ghana, to go and celebrate the Easter festival. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. This is me seated in the car, balance. Kwe Ofane Dabi. And this is my beautiful Ghanaian sister driving. This is my family. Kwe Ofane Dabi. This is when we get to Paradise. If you are using the Accra to Kumasi road very well, you will know Paradise and Linda Door. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. Finally, we've gotten to Nkoko. We have gotten to Nkoko town. This is how the town is looking. Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. We are now proceeding to the mountain. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. This is making it exact 1 year that I visited Kwahu for the festival. Kwe Ofane Dabi. I am so much happy to come again this year. This is the mountain. This is we climbing the mountain. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. Kwahu, Kwahu. Kwahu, Kwahu. See the nature that God blessed the eastern region of Ghana with. Kwe Ofane Dabi. This is mountain, no. This is mountain that we are climbing. See, if you are based in Kwahu here, or you are from Kwahu but based in Accra, and you are coming from Accra to Kwahu for the Easter, I beg, make una reach out to me. Make una reach out to me. I want you guys to take me around. I want to make I enjoy this my second visit waiting no good. I want to enjoy it very well. I want to have fun. I want you guys to take me to all the tourist sites that we have in Kwahu here. I want you guys to also take me to the restaurants, the beautiful restaurants that we have here. Kwe Ofane Dabi. I want to enjoy myself. I want to enjoy myself. If you know that you are going to be present for this Easter celebration, I beg, make una come flex me. Make una come show me around. But before then, let me be enjoying myself. Bye 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 bye. Nigerians, I am currently at the eastern region of Ghana, Kwahu. Yes, I am standing on their mountain. When they see them, I came here to celebrate their Easter festival with them. And I said I want to show you guys the kind of mountain that God blessed the eastern region of Ghana with. See mountain. See mountain. Camera, stay here. Watch me. I want them to see me. I want them to see me. Guys, see mountain. See mountain that God bless the eastern region of Ghana, Kwahu with. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Ofane Dabi. Me, Bra Kofi, I left Accra to come and celebrate their Easter festival with them. Don't worry. I am going to take you guys inside the town so that people will see how the town is busy. People are coming from Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, everywhere to come and be celebrating this Easter festival. It is happening here. It is happening here. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Kwahu, Kwahu. Kwahu, Kwahu, me, Bra Kofi, my bag for Kwahu. I have come for the Easter festival. Kwe, you guys can see. This is mountain, no. This is mountain. It is going up. You can see cars. Camera, show them cars. You can see cars are going up and coming down. Camera, come like this. See, you are going down. This angle now, you are going down. And people that are going like this, they are going up. Camera, turn it again. You see this mountain, eh? You see this mountain. People are living on top of this mountain. Hey, God is good. God is good. People are living on top of this mountain. You guys don't know. That is where me, Bra Kofi, I came to celebrate with them their Easter festival. See, guys, let me not talk too much, you understand? Yes, let me not talk too much. I will take you guys inside so that you guys will go and see how they are celebrating their Easter festival. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Kwahu. Guys, if you are in Kwahu, come out and let's have fun. Let us party the celebration, the Easter, the baby, everything. Some Kwe Ofane Dabi. Let me leave you guys and go to the town and celebrate. See, when I tell the Nigerians that Ghana is very sweet, they know they believe me. Yes, Ghana is very sweet. I want to show you guys that Ghana is very sweet. I am currently at Kwahu, the eastern region of Ghana. You understand? They are celebrating their festival this Easter, and me, I come. See the town. Look at how the town is so busy. Camera, follow me. Let's go inside. See the way everywhere is choked. From here going is choked. From here to going is choked. Kwe Ofane Dabi. Camera, follow me. Look at the way the streets everywhere is choked. People are coming. More people are coming from Accra, from Kofodia, from Kumasi, from everywhere. Ofane Dabi. See, me, Bra Kofi, I'm live at Kwahu. Yebedi stano basa. Guys, let's go. Show them. Ekosowaha. Guys, see cars. Show them. See cars that are coming. See cars. This is eastern region of Ghana. Kwahu, Kwe Ofane Dabi. For the Easter celebration. If you are not coming here for the Easter celebration, you are really missing a lot. Show them cars. Show them cars. Where over be. See, in my next life, I will be a Ghanaian. Yes, and I'm going to come from Kwahu, Eastern region of Ghana. Salome Kasabebre. Show them cars. Show them cars. Show them cars. Oh, Charlie. Who say Ghana no day? Who say Ghana no day? Where? Show them cars. Show them cars. Oh, Charlie. See, if you are not coming this Easter, if you're not coming to celebrate it, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to show them more things about the Eastern region people. Let's follow this side. Let's follow this side. Let's go. Everywhere choke just because of the Easter celebration. In fact, guys, let me leave you guys, okay? Let me leave you guys. I'm going to show you guys more things. See you guys on my next video.
That time of the year again where the entire world meets at home. Now this year, I did one say last 2 weeks, people go for India. Now we be a nail ball, so maybe someone said then because not knowing yes, Christ already 3 weeks, or carry the Easter and son are returning back. Now we are nail bono, what the judge Judas and then the squad and our more heavy and so. It's one was already a moon here because they are also already there. Yet say I walk across at the now to VSO because the whole country is coming to go. The certain president is coming to spend the entire 3 days. So you can imagine. Yesu Christ and Gaza so Judas and more as your for us. Into a reality there. You should watch out.
Kwahu is more than just the Easter festival. In fact, there is a lot to experience when you are in Kwahu. And if you are visiting this period, you may want to watch this video to the end to pick 1 or 2 activities to add to your itinerary. Let's watch the video to the end, and I do hope you enjoy your stay in Kwahu.
It is with immense pride and great excitement that I welcome you all to the 18th edition of the Kwahu Easter Paragliding Festival, right here on the breathtaking Otuyanoma Mountain. Today, we celebrate not just an event, but a legacy since the very first paragliding experience in 2005. The Ghana Tourism Authority has remained steadfast in promoting this festival across all our marketing touchpoints. In 2025, the Paragliding Festival recorded 10,422 visitors, a remarkable achievement that underscores the event's importance on our tourism calendar. The Ghana Tourism Authority has begun feasibility studies at Adaklu in the Volta region as part of efforts to expand paragliding and diversify Ghana's adventure tourism offerings.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. I believe I can fly. Fly there. Fly.
From now to Monday, we are hopeful that we are going to do more flights. But there are a lot of people who want to experience this adventure. And we have potential tourist sites in the Volta region, as I mentioned, Adakulu. That is why we are developing that side attraction, so that those who cannot come from Accra, Eastern region, Central region, they may choose to go to that side and have it. So this year, Ghana Tourism Authority, we have spread our budget of the tourism investment promotion into the Volta region. We are having Voja Keta Regatta Festival concurrently with Kwahu Easter Paragliding. We have seen other areas or destinations also trying to develop their destination like Gomoa, Ashanti Fest, Christ Asori in Sekendi. Domestic tourism awareness is increasing, and our domestic tourism product is evolving. You know, hitherto, Easter was for church convention, but now it's becoming celebratory. People are going for events here and there. So let's commend the Ghana Tourism Authority under the Ministry of Tourism, and of course His Excellency President John Dramani's Mahama vision of positioning Ghana as Africa's tourism cultural heritage capital. And you can attest to the fact that since December, Ghana has been busy all year. We are not waiting like previously you hear about tourism is December. But even Easter now, you can see that all major touch points of our domestic tourism is active, from the Central region to Western region to Volta region, Greater Accra region, Eastern region, Ashanti region. So this is how strategically we are deepening to consolidate the gains of domestic tourism. When we lose domestic tourism and rely on the inbound foreign visitors, and let's say any international eventuality like pandemic or hostilities and airstrike happens, it's going to affect us. So let's commend the initiatives and the interventions that we're doing. The big push agenda by His Excellency is the major investment that is leading to the tourism sites and attractions. If you look at all the major tourism destinations, the road infrastructure network construction is going on. Let's give ourselves the next 2 years. If you want to go to Volta region, where is Ghana's ecotourism hub, it won't take you more than 2 hours from Accra to get there. If you want to go to Central region from Accra after Kaswa, it shouldn't take you more than 2 hours to get there. Under the big push agenda, we are doing massive infrastructure development leading to the tourism sites and destination, which will invariably change these local economies. So we are trying, and I think,
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.